Hi, welcome to Art Draw. Today I'm going to draw a Christmas skin. This is Lieutenant Winter from Fortnite. So I'm going to do a full body shot. I'm going to draw the head here, arms coming up, sort of hands coming together, and then the rest of the body here. So if I go up to the top, let's go right up to the top here. What I'm going to do is draw his sort of Christmassy hair. He's got a lot of cascading kind of hair coming down. So if I start here, I'm just going to draw a nice curve right there. That's like just a little curve going right over to the right and down, and then just pick it back up from that corner point, back up like that. We've got that start off part, a little bit of a flick out coming over. So this side, kind of the hair flicks out over here and down, maybe the side of his head. It just comes down there. Hair in the middle sort of flicks up this way. Maybe just a bit of a bump where the hair goes there. Kind of slick back over this way. And then we'll just continue the hair coming around this way, down like that. We just go around here. We've got another little piece that sort of comes around there. Then I can just bring it around this way like that. So the head's at a little bit of an angle. What I'm going to do is put a couple of circles in. He's wearing glasses. He's kind of like green glasses in. Nice little circle around here. Nice little circle there. Just bring that across there. So just a little hint of the rim around the edges there. And then he's got little brows, just going to hit just a little bit of a hint of those brows coming around at the top of those. I don't want to get too complicated. I'm going to just draw the edge of the glasses going to the ear there. Just draw a little ear coming down. Same here, down that way, ear that way. And then what I can do is just bring out and accentuate a big old beard that comes down this way. So if I do the outline, right, it comes down this way, just pat it out, wobble that pen. Nice little rounded off-center beard. Comes around. Just get it to join up where that ear is there. We've got a nice bit there. If I come down from the center of the glasses, I can draw a little curve there for his nose, and then I can draw his moustache, which just comes out this way down here, out this way, down this way. Sort of a nice little hint of a big old moustache there, coming around up here, down there. Now we've got a hint of his mouth here, so I'm just going to draw a couple of curves for his mouth. Then he's got his kind of candy cane cigar, so I'm gonna just pop that coming out this way. Just draw a little edge part here. That's it, around like that, and then probably should just fill in a little bit there, and then the top part, give it a hint that there's little teeth there. And coming down from that is his little lip, and then we've got a few more little swirls just coming down like that, and then just match it up there. There we go. Kind of got that Santa beard on Lieutenant Winter. All right, next up, he's got this big old Santa coat on. So what I'm going to do is draw these big old fluffy bits that fly out. So they're not just sort of rounded fluffy bits, they're sort of jagged edge pieces that come out, almost look a little bit fiery. They sort of flick out really nicely around there, so you've got that cool little kind of bit of texture coming around there. I'm just going to sort of pop a little curve in here for his collar. Comes down that way like that, and on this side from the beard, come down this way and in there. And we've got a larger portion that kind of comes up, kicks up out there, down this way here. Same thing here, kicks up here, down. I'm just going to draw a little bit of an edging. There's a little bit more you see on this side, kind of kicks over this way. and down. And then what I'm going to do is just draw these hands. So I've got the shoulders to the elbow here, arm coming up, hand overlapping the other hand, and then going back to the elbow here and shoulder there. So if I come out about this way, I've got a big old boulder shoulder there coming down. It's like he's got his sleeves rolled up, so I'm just going to draw a little curved bit coming out like that. Bring it in, a little button I think about there. Come in this way, this is where we head down like that. Draw another little line, taper it in. That's where his little elbow is. We can bring a line in here and a line in there. And then we've got a cool little glove, like Santa style glove. Again, we've got this really sort of zigzaggy, kind of Christmassy white sort of shock coming out, flying out here. Nice and zigzaggy, really fun to draw. Be really loose with your pen, enjoy it. Have a bit of fun there, bring it right out. And then what we do, we just draw a nice little curve around like that. Cool, okay. I'm gonna bring the pen up either side here, 1, 2. There's a little pad, a little rectangular bit that comes around about here. Just joins around like that to the edge of this part here. And then we go into his fingers and his little gloves. So I'm gonna bring the pen up here. I've got a finger coming up this way, so 1 finger there. I've got another finger here, so 2, 3, bring that around a bit more. And then 4, got another little finger coming out this way. Bring it back and down. And then these are fingerless gloves, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go right across those. And then we can kind of see the little knuckles. So I'm just going to draw in 1, 2, 3, a little hint of 1 there. That's cool. Okay. If I come up from this way, I'm going to draw another little boulder shoulder coming out this way here. And then what I'm going to do is draw sort of the equivalent of this side here on the rolled up sleeve. So come right out here, down, around, little circle again. Bring it in. And then from about there, bring it in, curve it in, just taper it off. So I'm going to come in a little bit here, just draw his arm. And then what I'm going to do is probably from about there, just again, just draw these cool little, chunky little flamed little white bits that pop out from his glove. Cap them off just like that there. And then his other hand is underneath it here. So there's a little rectangular bit underneath. Maybe just put some little rivets. And then all we got to do is just join that up. 1, 2, along here, bring it in there. And we've got those hands in there. A little bit more of this white lining. And maybe a little bit just flying out over that way. And then what we can do, we can just line this part up here with this coat. So I'm gonna bring my pen up here. Bring my pen up here, probably from about that point there. There we go, it's starting to come together. Next I'm gonna draw his coat flying down here. So I'm gonna go from the inner. So I'm gonna go down, we've gone down here. I'm gonna continue this line. Bring it down nice and steady, in like that. We'll just line it. To about here, kind of flies up there a little bit. And just draw the rest up that way. Then what I'll do is come down from about this point. I'm gonna bring the coat of the outside down this way. It's gonna pinch in a little bit here and then flare out here. Not loads, but I'm gonna bring it down here. Pinch it in and then I'm gonna flare it out there. Curve it around like that. On this side, I'm gonna start with the inside again. I'm gonna come down this way, so I guess it comes down, curve it down, Give you a little bit bendy, we can just bring it in like that. Come back up, just pipe it, just nice and loose. Pipe it up this way. Up, up, up. Again, we've got a little piece like this here, so bring it up here and out. Back towards the center. Up like that. And then I've got license to come down with the rest of the coat. So it's going to pinch in again here. Come out here and down. So from about the edge of it here, bring it in. And we'll just steadily curve it out, nice and steady. Bring it in like that. So we've got that cool outer coat. There's a little bit of texture in the middle of our guy here. So Lieutenant Winter's got a couple of belts. There's one here, which is a bit of an angle, just a couple of lines coming down this way. Put a couple of dots of his belt in there. There's one in the middle here. Two like that. Maybe just link it off there. Maybe just a little piece inside there. Maybe a couple of lines. And then he's got it's almost like wrapping. So I'm going to put a little circle here. Like that. And just join it down here. Join it out. A couple of lines out here, and then just pop a couple of little lines, maybe a couple of little lines at the top here. We don't need to do loads. That looks pretty good. Okay. As we go to the trousers, the sort of under part of the trousers, the join is about here. I'm going to come down this way. I'm going to come down to about this point here. Nice and steady. Bring it in. It's about there. See a little bit on this side? About there. Come down on this side just a tad here. Then I'm going to draw a little belt. 1, 2 lines there, join it up. Again, just put some little dots for the belt loop. And we'll bring this trouser down round to about here and then up like that. Okay, he's got little stars at the edge of his boots. So I'm just going to put a couple of bits coming out. 1, 2 like that. 1, 2 like that. Just a little idea of the star on his boot. Then I'm going to draw his boot area. So we'll come out either side here. Come out a bit further than his trousers, and then we're going to come out and taper it in this way. You just bring your pen in here. Bring your pen down like that. He's got a little bit of texture on the inside of the boots. They're more like arrows. I've got 1, 2, 3. And over here, I'm going to bring the boot down. Sort of comes down this way. Maybe just come out here a little bit. Down like that. And we've got shin coming down this way. And again, we kind of got 1, 2, 3. And then we've got his main boots. There's a little bit of a sort of bar or shield on the top of the boots. So I'm going to just draw curve across either way here. Bring your pen down. This one has 2 little bits sort of popping out because it's a bit more front on. Curve it around. Come down here, curve it around. And then we'll just put some little spikes on this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On this side, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to draw this side first. Just bring the heel down to about here. Curve it in. Come out a little bit here to the toe of the boot. Bring your pen up and across. Now what I just need to do is just draw a little lip along there. And then on this side, I'm just going to bring the toe out this way so it kind of comes out nice little oval like that. And then we'll just go draw a little curve along there. And then as for the rest of him, what I might do is just kind of just beef up the outer of Lieutenant Winter. Just fill out that outer line. Get yourself a slightly chunkier pen. And we'll just go around those edges to beef up the character a little bit. Just thicken up those outer lines. Maybe we'll just get those little arm bits in. Thickens him up a little bit, and then I see there's just a little bit of a hint of decoration coming down either side here. A couple of little bits of detail there. Maybe a little bit of tartan sort of look on the edge of this part here. So just a couple little lines on the trousers. I'm just gonna sort of draw up a few little lines coming up this way. And then we'll just pop sort of a couple of lines every so often, just to give it that kind of texture and look. There's boots there, and then maybe just on the boots, let's just fill this bit in. The sole here can be filled in a tad. And then right at the top here, I think maybe we'll just block in just a little bit on these edges, and maybe at the top up here, just give it a little bit of extra texture there. Just a nice little bit of ink. And there we go. That is Lieutenant Winter from Fortnite. Let me know what you think of Winterfest. Let me know who else I can draw. Let me know what you think of the new season, and I'll see you again soon. All right, bye for now.